Hi, thanks for choosing BCU as your financial service provider. We love helping members like you maximize your membership. Because we're driven to help you discover financial freedom, you get lower rates, higher dividends, lower fees, or no fees, with more innovative products and service options. Whether you're wanting a high-earning savings account for a rainy day or looking to move into a new home with little money down, we have products that fit your every need, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Additionally, we offer all the financial well-being tools and guidance you may need. We even have free financial counseling services to help you turn your credit reports and budget goals into channels of success. On the go, we go where you go. Download our mobile app to access your accounts, transfer funds, deposit checks, and pay anyone. To learn more, visit one of our service centers or our website to explore all the services we provide. We're BCU, and we're proud to be here today for your tomorrow.